Whoa, that was kind of. Oh, more. Oh, there's more. How many more is going to be there? Shoot! Whoa, jeez. Whoa. You just don't know when that box is going to die. Woo!
Are you going to eat it?
I'm not gonna eat it. Heck no, heck no.
It's just peanut butter.
It's peanut butter and pumpkin.
You want to eat it?
So I dare you to eat it.
Fine, but you owe me $1.
$1.
Oh!
Wait a second. This is the girl who causes trouble and stuff. I think you need to do it for nothing.
Hey, you got called out. I like her.
I'm just saying. You
Whoa,
gotta do
Miss
it for
Burke's got a
nothing.
dollar.
Nothing.
Take a bite. You got to
Take a
go.
little bite.
You gotta swallow it though.
Let me see.
Oh, she did.
Ryan.
It is good, isn't it?
I'll eat the. Hey, how about this? I'll eat the rest of it for
It's
$1.
pretty good, huh?
Wait, Miss Brooke, don't give me the $1. I'll eat the whole thing for $1. No, no, I
Do it again.
Your brother's got it now.
Oh,
Hey, hey, hey. Oh, nasty.
I get it, but I just spit it out.
want no taste.
He wants $1. He's going for his second bite. He likes it.
He likes it. He really likes it.
You are the funniest little guy.
Where's Ryan? Where's Riley? Where's Zoe? Where's that?
Oh my gosh, Zoe. Zoe, you got crazy pink hair. Thanks to Miss Brooke.
Let's do Brooke's hair.
You got the in my hair.
To you.
I'm a boy.
Mom told me. My mom told
Oh,
me.
we need blue for you.
I forgot to tell you. One of the things they told me.
If I'm saying my hair down, I'm doing that way.
One of the things they told me in my interview
Yeah.
was that when.
Do this.
Your dad's gonna love the fact that you have pink hair now to go with your pink pants.
That's awesome.
This is all celebrity worthy.
Oh, man.
Right?
Sorry,
Alright, you gotta let it dry.
Yeah. No, all of it. You gotta let all of it. Don't get your hair.
Get that. Look at that. He's asking for more. Get my back.
There you go. I
That's
got
my turn. It's my own
Let me see, boy.
Go look in the mirror. Yeah, right? Yeah.
It is the right one.
Hey guys, back with another
No,
video.
it's one I brought with me.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna freak out. I'm going to eat.
Ready?
What are you doing, dude?
Okay. I am getting it.
Looks cool, Riley. Looks really cool. How fun.
That smells bad.
Yeah.
Which one you brought with you?
Look at
It
that.
smells like markers. It smells like you guys are gonna go home and pass out.
Hey, I'm okay with that.
Or asphyxiate them, kinda.
You want some white?
He wants like
Let's see what it
Ryan.
looks like.
I want to do this like Ryan.
Oh, just like Ryan.
Next time we'll get blue so you can look like a Smurf. But you got the troll hair going on.
It's all out.
Crack me up.
That is insane.
What are you doing?
His hair's so white, it probably.
You can't see it real well though.
Oh, you can see it.
Oh, I probably should have shook it up some more. Look at my hand.
You put it in mine.
Oh, no worries. You want some in your hair?
Do you want some white? Yeah, go
But
for
I've
it.
just been doing little strips.
Okay, I'll do a strip. Here, sit right up here.
I'm waiting for Zoe to get
I have a feeling
in.
it'll
No,
be
this will
alright.
be a faster and easier way to get in.
No, I'm going in at the ladder.
Whoa! Go, Zoe, get in.
That's actually not cold. I can feel it. Look, just go in. It's gonna be perfect.
Alright, Zoe, get in.
After Riley. Riley, jump in now. Wait, I'm getting out. Okay, get out.
Hey, get in, you get mermaid Barbies.
I'm gonna jump in by myself. That is the worm.
Come on.
It's so cold. I'm getting out of
Come on, Ducky.
Now you gotta get in. I have to go in the water.
Hey!
Lucky, your turn to
Go,
get in.
go, go. Now go, Zuzu.
Come on. What would Ryan do?
Ryan would be cheesy.
Her hair's changing.
Come on, Ducky. I'll help you, okay?
Her hair's changing color, Mom.
Oh, that's so cool.
Get in the sun.
You ready?
No.
You ready? Set. Do it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, you win.
There we go. Oh, I wish I
You
had
guys are
water
going so
balloons to
fast.
throw at ya.
We were on the trampoline and we had 480 water balloons on
You
it.
did.
And we were bouncing all over. Faster! I totally got you. Did it get?
It's a go back.
No. This is fun.
It's really hard.
Alright, you guys. You guys just gotta say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, let's see if you guys can do it. Here, I'll start you. Okay, start pedaling.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Push the door.
So much fun.
You're such a good, mom of kids. It's time to go.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you.
Come back again. You're welcome.
Alright, we're just getting started.
Are you scared? Oh, buddy, don't be scared.
They're like popping this way.
No, they're not. You guys are okay.
The big one. No screaming.
Whoa, that's right above our heads. Holy moly.
That wasn't scary.
That was very scary.
The big ones are not scary at all.
They're not.
The big ones are not scary.
I like all the guys over there working. Goodness, here it goes, you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. What'd you think of that? Was that awesome? No? Oh, it's like raining paper, like right here. Was it? Is that awesome?
You want to cut that out, right?
Yeah, I know. I love it. What are you guys doing back here? What are they doing? Are you guys hiding?
Fighting for a blanket?
Fighting for a blanket?
My blanket.
Your blanket.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Are you hiding behind the wall?
I don't like the little ones. I like the big ones.
You like the big ones?
I don't
Yeah.
like the big ones.
There it goes. One. Oh. Oh. There's another one. Whoa, that was amazing. What'd you think?
Wait, was that only one? Was that only one?
That was a whole bunch. You hate it.
It's so big!
Oh, here goes another one. Here goes another one. That's so fun. That was fun.
Terrible! What?
Parable? Aw. You guys, I've never seen fireworks this close in my life.
4th of July!
Everybody does fireworks. Whoa! That was so cool!
Mom, I need to get in your arms.
You need to be in my arms?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Well, what did you do today for 4th of July?
I don't know.
Did you do
I swim.
You went swimming. What else?
You're a scaredy cat.
I went swimming. I got wet hair still. Wet hair, wet bathing suit. How is it? I'm still in my bathing suit and you're wearing it. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That was cool.
That was scary. Jeez Louise! That scared me. Even you guys backed up. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa, that's so cool.
Scaredy cat. Zoe went like this, I'm not a scaredy cat, and then it started to
No, that. Woo! Oh, I like that. Ready? Whoa! Nice.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa. I like that one. What up?
Happy 4th of July!
Whoa. Oh, we're back to that. Woo!
That one hurt. Is this redneck?
This is a little redneck when you shoot off fireworks in your front yard.
Front yard? Yeah, I think so.
I think we can officially say we're all rednecks. I'm ready. I'm ready. Woo! A shield.
Like the police. You know, like a riot shield.
Woo! Oh, that's so pretty. Whoa, that one's low. Oh, it's so pretty.
That was pretty.
I like those. Yay! Whoa, that's pretty. Oh, look at that coal. Did you see that land in your front yard? Oh. Wow, they went off at the same time.
I really like to scare our children. Happy 4th of July.
They're gonna have here.
PTSD.
They're gonna have therapy. There's gonna be therapy. And then my parents every 4th of July.
And we had to wear a shield because the fireworks were so close to our faces. You're like Massachusetts.
Oh, that is so funny, Kelly. Oh my God.
Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Whoa. 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 Oh my gosh, it's literally raining on us. Holy crap. I love that.
Oh, I love that.
Shared a bunch.
Oh, yeah.
This stuff's raining down on our heads.
Oh my God.
Do you think that's going to like set your house on fire?
That's what I was saying.
We'll find out.
Do another one.
Like,
So she's enjoing the pictures more than the actual real show.
oh, I know. It's, the pictures don't scare the heck out of you.
Someone else. Woo! Someone else set one off. We're not the only crazy people in this neighborhood.